youth don't always make it easy for adults to connect with them, right? I mean, some get-ups that some youth put out there, they really scream like, don't come near me. But what we've seen over and over is they really want somebody to try and connect with them. Most youth have not very many people in their life, if any, that are actually listening to them, that are listening to what's going on, what are they concerned about, without jumping to problem solve or to preach or, to tell them that, oh yeah, get over it, that's just part of normal life, but to really like validate, okay, I understand what you're feeling and I'm interested in what you're thinking and what you're feeling about things. And when there's a group of kids together, it's probably not the best time to connect with them, even though if you see something, I mean, just to like a human, like eye contact without judging what they're doing, but just kind of, hey, are you okay, or something, if they're doing something really wild, might get a connection or might not. I think that's it takes a risk on part of the adult or other youth to put yourself out there, because they might not want to connect with you, but they're probably not the ones reaching out. And it's far easier to connect with youth on a one-on-one basis because then they don't have to, they're youth, so it's important what their peers think of them, so it gets more complicated when there's a group of them. But there's still a difference in, giving them the lock and like moving way around if they're monkeying around, or just kind of, even laughing if they're doing something that's funny, and just kind of saying, hey, have a good day or whatever. Like there's many different ways of connecting, and not all of them will work, and not all of them will work for some youth. But if there's more people in the community who are reached out, I think especially some of the youth who are so isolated, they have a better chance of building a relationship with somebody. It could be, a kid who's living in your apartment building, or somebody you see has a rough time. I mean, really, I think with youth we have more prejudices, but it applies to everybody, right? Everybody needs connections.